This is your all-in-one inbox where emails, texts, calls, and web chats are all managed together. Instead of jumping between Gmail, your phone, and a chat tool, everything is right here in one place. Up at the top, you'll notice a few tabs, and I want to walk you through 2 useful features and show you how they work together. First, trigger links let you place trackable links inside your emails, so you can see how many contacts click through. To create one, open the Trigger Links tab, click Add Link, give it a name and a URL, and save. Next, snippets are reusable blocks of text that you can quickly insert when composing a message, and this saves a lot of time if you're sending similar emails regularly. Let's create a snippet and embed the trigger link that we just made inside it. Go to the Snippets tab, click New Snippet, and Add Email Snippet. Give your snippet a name and a subject, then write your message in the snippet's body. You can also insert custom values like your contact's name to personalize the email. To insert the trigger link, click the Trigger Links button in the toolbar and select the link that we just created. Don't worry that this doesn't show as a hyperlink yet. I'll show you how to link that later. When you're happy with your snippet, click Save. Now let's see this in action by sending it as a real email. Go back to the Conversations tab, click New, then Direct Message, and select a contact. Choose Email, then click the Insert Snippet button to select and insert your snippet. The snippet will populate the email with everything we set up, including the trigger link. To give it a hyperlink, click Add Link, then Trigger Link, and you can select that here. I'll open this in a new window and save. Then click Send, and your contact will receive the email with the trackable link inside. To see how your trigger links are performing, come back to the Trigger Links tab, and then click Analyze. And that will give you a breakdown of the total clicks over time.